Alright, what's up YouTube? So I'm kind of late on the intro, but it's around 9:04, and earlier we pulled the engine out of the RX8, and it's about to be, after this, the video is going to be kind of long, so hope you guys don't get bored, but I time-lapse me pulling the engine down. So go ahead, click, watch, have fun.
Yo, skinny man.
Alright, so
What's going on? What's new?
Alright,
What's
so
the
we pulled
update
the
today?
engine out the RX8 today. Today's what? Tuesday. We started Monday. My brother just came and helped me pull off 2 oil lines. So we got the engine out, and now we're about to get to work on tearing it down. And I should have another video by Wednesday or Thursday.